Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Desmond with I Review the Fly, coming to bring you some brand new fresh kicks today, guys. And we are talking about the joints is dropping on January 23rd on the sneaker app. That's right, guys. The Jordan 5 Chinese New Year's, guys. Listen up, man. I personally, when it comes to drip, I think it's a dope colorway. I think it's a dope color scheme, especially with the tearaway and you got the Chinese emojis all over the shoes. I think it's fresh, but personally, for me, dripping those shoes, nah. And the reason why I wouldn't wear them is because I always thought all low Jordan number 5 low tops were hideous. Just to be honest with you. Now, I like the whole Chinese New Year and how they set these shoes up. I think it's dope, but so far as me personally trying to rock them, nah, I wouldn't get them. Honestly, in my personal opinion, I think it's more of a female shoe, and I don't want to come off sounding real sexist, but it is what it is. It got a lot of pink in it, a lot of pink undertones under the overlay of the shoe. I mean, the shoe itself is in the sale colorway, but if you strip away all that so you can get to the actual dopeness of the shoe, which I'm quite sure most people will do that, you know, it's pink. A lot of pink. A whole lot of pink. So me personally, am I going to drip them? Nah, not likely. Like I said, well, outside of the colorway, like I said, once again, I've never been a fan of the low top Jordan number 5s. I've never been a fan of the Jordan number 1s that's low top. I've never been a fan of the, I think it was like the number 7s that came out low top at one time, something crazy like that. Anyhow, if the Jordan's supposed to be high top, then you should rock them in the high tops. So that's why I wouldn't be rocking these. I would definitely not be dripping these, guys. So far, now let's move on to is it a skip? Nah, I definitely don't think it's a skip because it is a fly shoe. I think it's a shoe made, it should be more geared toward females, even though it comes in male sizes. And those shoes are coming out for $215, by the way. It's a good looking shoe, but it's just not for me. You know what I'm saying? So definitely for those who want to rock it, you rock it. For those who are like me, who don't feel so, you don't want to rock it. Like I said, I wouldn't skip on them. And now when it comes to the flip, are they worthy of flipping? Now that is the the elephant in the room, if you want to say it, guys. Because the shoes are coming out right now at $215, and they are really not faring very well on the resale market as of yet. However, I will say this, because they are the Chinese New Year editions, I personally think they will go up. And without me just giving you speculation, we're going to deep dive right into it to see what the resale value is looking at right now in the marketplace. Me personally, I think that these are going to be some shoes that if you are willing to put them on ice and hold them for a little while, then I think the value definitely will go up, because it's not like they're going to make any more of these Jordan number 5 low Chinese New Year editions of this year, you know, for 2021. They're not gonna restock these. So if you do get them and you're willing to hold on to them, me personally, when it comes to the flip game, I personally don't like to sit on shoes for long periods of time, just because they tend to fall apart, you know. And this might be a shoe you might have to hold for a year or two, you know. So I personally don't care about putting things on ice. I like to get it in. If I'm going to be flipping a pair of shoes, I definitely like to get it in get an immediate flip. Hence the reason why I'm really beaming and spending a lot of time on dunks right now, because dunks, Nike dunks, the SB dunks, they really got the wave. But once again, like I said, guys, I think these will be a killer in the resale market later on. But we're going to go ahead and deep dive into this right now and see what the prices are looking at on the major reselling sites, StockX, and go right now, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get right into it. So go ahead and open up the sneakers app. Let's see here. If you guys haven't had a chance to check out the Kick Check, that was a dope line of dunks right there. Of course, it's the Street Hawkers right there, which is fire. Let's see here. Let's find these shoes. Oh man. Da 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 da.
I know these shoes ain't as far down. That's cool. Let's go right here to upcoming. Here we go. January 23rd at 10 o'clock. Like I said, at $215. So you can see right there. Like I say, there's some dope kicks, especially if you strip that top layer away. It's really gonna be a dope kick. And like I see when you strip it away, you can see the little pink or whatever right here. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of the number 5 low tops. Anyhow, let's go ahead and jump on over to StockX and look them up right quick. And see what they're going for right now. If I can spell the word correctly. Jordan 5 CNY. Let's see here. There we go for 2021. 245. Let's see what the sales has been lately. That's what on the size line, which is in my size. Let's look and see what the buy prices have been going for, which to me, you know, if you out here going for like $50, unless you get some of the bigger size like the 14, 15, now those might be worth go ahead and jumping on. But you know, the regular size, which is going to have plenty of, not so much for the flip, unless you can get like the, you know, 12.5, 13, blase on up. That'll be worthwhile. But that's just the buy. That's what the bid is. Let's see what the actual sale is. What you can get them right now for. And if you was to do a quick flip, not any profit on it. Like I said, these are another ones that you would have to hold for a while if you're going to see some results on it. So let's go ahead and shoot on over to GOAT. Go ahead and look up the same shoes. Jordan 5 CNY. And they saying they can't even find them. Let's try this one more time. Jordan 5 CN. Oh, they got it spelled out Chinese New Year on here. Okay, so in my size 248. So basically, if you're gonna make try to see a quick flip off of these, you're gonna have to go for the size 11.5 and up. And then of course the really small size if you're gonna see a quick flip. Anything in the regular, you know, size 7 basically to 11, unless you plan on holding it, it's kind of not even gonna be worth getting involved with it to flip, guys. So there you have it. Anyway, with that being said, let's click back on over and close this bad boy out. All right, y'all, this is Desmond, Mr. Eye Catch Pips. If you've been struggling to learn how to become a successful day trader, or you've been interested in learning how to become a successful Forex day trader, just go to the website right across this video, guys. Take a look at the website, get started with us, and let's help you become a successful independent Forex day trader. Take care and take action. All right, guys, I am back, and as you saw, after we went over the sites and checked it out on StockX and GOAT, yeah, as you see, the prices are kind of just sitting right around retail. Though, like I said, once again, I do think that once they sell out, and if you're willing to hold a little bit, the prices will go up. They will go up some. But if you want to get the real bang for your buck, you might be looking at maybe 6 months to a year, or maybe even a year and a half down the road of holding on to these shoes for you to get a real return on your investment. Now, me personally, since full-time I am a day trader. I'm a cryptocurrency investor and a stock investor. I don't personally see this as being a beneficial investment for me, for a long-term investment, because I don't want to wait a year and a half to double my money when I can have my money put in other places and make my money a lot faster. So that's me personally. But for a sneakerhead that's willing to hold on to them, yes, you will make some money off of them. Once again, like I said, guys, dripping them. Now, personally, these are not some shoes I would want to buy. Though, if my wife wanted these shoes, I would get them for her. You know, if she wanted them, because I think they're dope for females, personally. And once again, I don't think they're a skip. I'm gonna leave that kind of guy up to you guys whether I would skip on them. Me personally, I would skip on them. But for other people, I don't think they should skip on them, because it is a fire colorway, it is a fire setup.
I'm just no fan of low top number 5s. All right, guys, with that being said, you know what it is. You know my opinion on the drip. You know my opinion on the flip. You know my opinion on the skip. If you like this video, guys, make sure you go ahead and give me that thumbs up. Also, click on the subscribe button on my channel so that you can get my content as I put it out. And once you click the subscribe, make sure that you go ahead over that bell in the bottom right corner and make sure you click on the bell so when I put out new content, you get it right in your inbox, guys. Anyhow, this is Desmond with I Review the Fly, bringing you fresh and dope kicks. I'm out. Peace. Bye-bye for now. And oh yeah, no matter what, baby, stay fly. Let's go.